Hey guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So today is day 10 of our 30 day of smoothie challenge, and today I'll be sharing one of my most favorite fruit smoothies. So if you guys enjoy watching this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video, because I'll be uploading for the next 20 days. First ingredient is papaya, and papaya helps in weight loss, boosts immunity and has anti-aging benefits, and also it improves digestion. And next ingredient is mango. This one is rich in fiber and vitamin C, and also alkalines the body because this fruit has traces of citric acid in it. And next ingredient is pineapple. This is rich in vitamin C, helps to maintain weight and also improves digestion. And lastly, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. It's a superfood and it's high in omega-3 fatty acids. And to blend everything together, I'm using coconut water. If you are someone who loves the fruit smoothie, you are going to love this recipe, and I highly recommend you guys to try this one, and let me know in the comment section what you guys think about it. Yeah guys, that was all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and also I would love for you guys to join my Insta family because I share a lot of tips and tricks there as well. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow with a new healthy smoothie recipe. Till then, bye. Next ingredient is mango, and lastly, I'll be adding a few